Hey you guys. Okay, so on this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to print checks. Okay, this is one of the main problems that I used to have. I couldn't figure out how to print checks to save my life. We went out and we bought some check paper. I went and bought this Versa check paper, and the check paper is fine. It works perfectly, but the software for VersaCheck sucks. Okay, I don't know who uses it, but I'm gonna let you know right now that I used the software. I tried to use the software, and I just could not. I couldn't get it to work. Okay, so I still to this day don't know what I was doing wrong. So you know me, I'm a fan of easy. So I stumbled across this other software online, and it's like so simple to use. I'm going to show you right now how simple, how fast you can set this stuff up and start printing checks today. So the first thing you need to do is buy check paper. You need some paper to print off the checks. Okay, so you can purchase the paper from QuickBooks. I actually went to Staples, and then I bought some check paper from Staples. Okay, so after that, I went and I downloaded this software. I got the software offline. It's called Online Check Writer. Okay, and you can click the link down below and just click on it. Go there. It's really simple to set up. All you have to do is first go to bank, and you want to attach your bank account. Okay, you want to go ahead and add your bank account in there. So you'll go to create new and then set your bank account up. Okay, so once your bank account is connected to this wonderful software here, then after that, what you're going to do is you want to go to payee, and then you'll put all your vendors in. You'll put all of your employee information in right here. So everybody goes here. If you use QuickBooks, another thing I like about this software is you can go to integration right here, and you can connect QuickBooks to it. A lot of people use QuickBooks, or these other two. I really don't know what these are, to tell you the truth. But if you use Gusto, you can connect that. I've heard of Gusto. Zapier, I've heard of that. You can connect that as well to this software. So it's a really, really, really cool software. I love it already. And the main reason why I love it is the only thing I did was after I connected my bank, I added my employees, the people that I wanted to pay, not employees, but my contractors. Everybody that I wanted to pay, I add them right here, right? So you go here, click on vendor, and then new, okay? And then you just put in all of their information right here. So simple, so simple, okay? You can even pay people through direct deposit off of this software. It's so cool. And you can connect it to your QuickBooks, so everything will be integrated and it'll work together. Okay. But when it's time to pay them, you'll go to pay here. Now you already have your bank account set up. I skipped something. After you add your people here, you go to bank account, then you add your people, then you'll go to settings. See where this arrow is? And then you want to go down to check design, okay? Because you want to design your check. You want your check to look good. So we're going to go here. All right, so right here, now you're going to choose which bank account you want to design the check for. So I'm going to go right here to my Marist bank account, and I'm going to go to check design, my routing number. So I just deleted my routing number right here, but if I wanted to add the routing number, I could just click here and the routing number will appear right here. Okay, but I'm just going to delete it for this quick demonstration. So after that, this is how my checks look, you guys. And it's really easy right here. You'll add the element right here. Click on text. Oh, I'm sorry. I said click on element. Pay to order. If you want to take any of this stuff off of the check, then you will just click on it. If you want to take the date off or, whatever. But I like to leave it on because I want all this stuff to show. Okay, right here is text. So if you want to add any text, you'll write right here. If you want to add the logo, you'll just upload your logo. If you want to add your signature, you can sign it on the screen. That's how I did this. If you want to add an image in the background of the check, you go right here to add your image in the background. Right here. That's where you go at. Background image. If you want to add the bank logo, you can go right here to add the bank logo. It's really simple, really easy. Then you just save it and go back. Okay, and you can preview it here. Okay, if you want to preview how the check looks. Right? So you want to get that step done. That is step number 3. So after you've designed your check, then you're ready to create a check. So you'll go over here to create check. And now it's time to pay people, right? So you can either pay people with your debit card or your credit card right here. You'll just put in that information here. Go to add and then add your card number here and you can pay people. Or you can click on your bank account that you just set up your bank account. Okay, so you can click on whichever one. These are nicknames for your bank account. So one of the ones I think I nicknamed it Katrina. Okay, and then you will type right here which person you want to pay. Okay, so whatever person I want to pay, I'll click on their name. Right? And then right here is your check number, the category. Who is this? This is a contractor. If you have a payee number, you can put it there. If you have an invoice number, you can put it here. Any comments, put it here. If you have a memo, you just type it right there. And then right here, if you don't want any of these things to show, you'll just click on it. Like, I don't want the date to show. Click on date if you don't want that to show. Okay. See right there, it says this will enable printing without the date. Please confirm. Okay. So I would like the date to show because it's very important to know when I pay people. But then that's it. So when you get right here, you can either save the check, you can print the check out, you can save it and go on to the next check, create a new check. You can email the check. You can mail the check out. Or you can create a ACH direct deposit and it will go directly inside of whoever you're trying to pay's account. Okay, just that easy. So once you press print, then this wonderful check will print out and you're finished. That's exactly how I create my checks in my company. This is exactly how I do it. Okay. So I highly recommend this program. Click the link down below, you guys, and check it out. It's called Online Check Writer. All right. Until the next video, I'm out of here. Bye-bye. After you've created your check, it will look like this. This is a demo check that I created. Okay. And on the sides here, if you take your UV light right here, I got a UV light right here, right? So I'm going to cut it on. Can you see? Hold on, let me do it again. There we go. This is a horrible demonstration. This is what the banks use to verify whether the check is real or fake. It's a UV light. You put it on this little circle here. And you see, can you see the icon appear? It says secure. That means we official, baby. Get you a little UV light, okay? But that's all I did, man. And that's how I print my checks.
been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with me.